Hey guys, I had some problems when I tried to record my videos on OBS, in which whenever I'm done with recording a game or something, mostly games, whenever I try to play my video, I would get a choppy, slow, sluggish recording, and I could never find a reason why that is or why it happened. So I tried looking on YouTube for a solution, and I could never find one, at least during the time that I was looking for it. So I kept playing with the settings and everything, and it did not work. And I tried the solution like by trial and error. I did not know about it, but what I did is I did a right click on whenever you start, you see your video on OBS, just right click on your video and then you'll find a full screen projector preview. Choose that and then start your recording and play your game, do whatever, and stop your recording. And when you play it again, the video will be perfect. It will have no choppiness, no sluggishness whatsoever. Try this. Hope it helps. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.